Hey, I'm Greaser with Dorman Products, and today we're taking a look at our TA87445RD tie rod kit for the 6th generation Ford Bronco. Now, this is an example of a factory piece that Ford supplied with the new Broncos, and this will be fine for a passenger car, but we're expecting that Broncos are going to be seeing some pretty extreme duty off-road, and there are also going to be owners who just want to have something a little better than what was supplied with it. So we've come up with some improvements of our own, and I want to run through some of those with you. You can see that the ball joint is substantially larger on the OE fixed piece, and it also has a Zerk fitting so you can grease and service this. Moving a little bit further back, there's an offset, and that's to accommodate a lift kit. This OE fix outer tie rod end can fit up to 1.5-inch lift kit, which we expect quite a few Bronco owners are going to be installing. You can see that this is a longer outer tie rod too, and that's so that there's more support for the threaded sections where a lot of those forces are going to be applied. And then finally, down at the back, you can see that the inner tie rod end has also been increased in diameter to give a little bit more strength while you're headed down the road or the trail.